Ajipshola Pola Khorti, Jakali Chumokidima district under NH29 4-lane road te Tata Gari Tuita accident hatsa look pa jagina ekjon laga jan haraja khobor pailu ase. Sources te itu accident hatsa tuili 4 to 5 PM inikadam te hui jagina Tata Gari ekta tu Manipur laga thakshe ko ase aro Murija Lash hospital ponchai digina hatsa issue ti driver ekjon tu police thana te loi jaise ko ase aro accident hatsa te Tata Gari ekta tu lok pukhi thakya laga Tata Gari thakshe ko gina report pailu ase. Nagaland Zoological Park Rangkha Bahar Chumokidima khan itu sal laga ticket rate uthai digina visitors khan sobra jani lobole thakya tuli ja kalibra effect kurgena ticket aro camera fees khan sob revise kuri loishe. Director of Nagaland Zoological Park T Auchuba notification issue kuri dia sabti entry fee ticket 5 to 12 years karni 10 rupees cholai thakya upgrade ho jagina 20 rupees kuri disha aro 12 salbra opor 20 rupees loi thakya 40 rupees ti upgrade kuri dishe ko ase. Aro zu pitorti camera laga charges 30 rupees cholai thakya 50 rupees uthai digina professional camera SLR DSLR 100 rupees ra 150 kuri disha aro video camera 100 rupees ra 200 uthai digina professional videography khan tu 1000 bra cholai thakya 1500 uthai digina cholai jabole department authority khan jonai dia ase. Ami khan sobra light karin hotai safety measures logina cholabole thakya tuli Chandal district of Manipur state ti Jakali Nodi area Maimar Bodor ti khuri kati thakya damte khuki community manukhan 3 jon laga jan harai dishe ko gina khobor pailu ase. Official report ti hatsa tu Jakali victim 3 jon nodi osoti khuri kati thakya damte live power line choi digena tate bra achanak shock hoi jaise aro spot te 2 jon muri jagina ekjon Churachandpur district hospital ti davoi loi thakya report dia ase. Achanak hatsa ulagina manu laga jan loi dia issue ti authorities khan tu hatsa opor exact reason janibo karni detail investigation kuri thakya ko ase itu karni moi khan sobra bosti town kot te holipi live karin khan logina mishamshi nakrubole hatsa opor viewers khan ki jonai dia ase. Next khobor te representative of Naga People Organization khan Jakali trusted din Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh logina secretary Imphal te alag alag issue karni kotha kurlo shiko gina khobor dia ase. Chief Minister N Biren Singh logina meeting ti Naga body leaders khan tu state government under alag alag project implement kurgena state pitor development anibole kotha kuri disha aro meeting ti Chief Minister N Biren Singh tu Naga People Organization Sina Party khan bra invaluable insight aro concern kuri dia karni acknowledge kuri dishe ko ase. Aro jasal Mori Sub Divisional Police Officer SDPO Muraida suspected karni accused dujon arrest kur logena thakya case connection ti accused dujon hatsa ti involved kugena thakya reveal kur dishe ko ase. Report accused dujon tu Philip K Konsai aro Himkolal Meti identify kuri dia ase aro jasal October 31st police officer helped construction site ti on duty kuri thakya damte guli cholai digena Muraida hatsa involved thakshe ko ase. Itu karni investigation officer IO Khan tu accused dujon opor formal arrest kur logena special judge NIA Khan tu details karni February 12 tarik tak ti judicial custody pitorte saza uthai digena guilty hesab judgment kuri dibo koi dia ase.